losing belly fat. It can be really stubborn. It's not just about how we look, it's about our health too. How we eat is super important, and the foods we pick are just as important. So, can foods from plants help us out? Especially protein from plants. Lots of people these days are eating more foods from plants. They're doing it to be healthier. Let's find out more about this. Can these foods really help us get what we want? Let's explore and find out. Protein, you guys, it's a really amazing nutrient. Protein, it's super important for our bodies. Especially when we want to lose weight, protein helps us out a ton. It helps us feel full, and it keeps us feeling full for longer too. Foods that have a lot of protein help us not get hungry so fast. So that means we end up eating less. Eating fewer calories means our bodies will have less fat too, especially that extra fat around our bellies. Protein also helps our bodies burn energy better. Our bodies use energy to break down food, but protein needs even more energy to break down. This is what people call the food energy effect, you guys. So every day our bodies burn a few extra calories. Protein also helps keep our muscles strong and healthy. When we have more muscle, our bodies burn more calories, even when we're just resting. And when our bodies burn more calories like that, it helps us burn even more fat. So where do we find these plant proteins? There are lots of great sources out there. Beans are a wonderful choice. Just think, beans come in all sorts of colors and types. Lentils and chickpeas are also really good options. They have so much protein. They also give you lots of healthy fiber. Nuts and seeds are like little protein powerhouses, like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Flax seeds and pumpkin seeds are great too. They give you a good amount of protein. They also bring healthy fats. A small handful makes a really good snack. Don't forget our whole grains. Quinoa is a really good example. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame are also awesome sources of protein. Part 4. Plant protein and animal protein. How are they different? So how is plant protein different from animal protein? Animal proteins like meat, dairy products, and eggs are really common. But plant proteins have their own special benefits, especially when we talk about belly fat, and our overall long-term health too. Plant proteins usually come with fiber, but animal proteins usually have very little fiber. Fiber is a great nutrient for losing weight. Fiber helps you feel full for much longer. It also helps keep our digestion healthy. Plant proteins generally also have less saturated fat. They also have absolutely no cholesterol. Eating too much saturated fat is not good for our health. Choosing plant-based foods can help us avoid these problems. Eating a variety of plant foods every day is really good. Plus, plants also give us healthy plant nutrients. And this is part 5. Plant diets and trimmer wastes. What does science say about this? Well, science totally agrees. So, what do the scientific studies tell us? Let's take a closer look. Right now, there are lots of studies looking at diets that are mostly made of plants and how these diets affect our health. They study the weight loss effects very carefully and look at many other things too. The results are usually very good, showing big benefits for our health. People who follow plant-based diets often lose weight and feel like they have a lot more energy. This weight loss can also include losing belly fat, which is especially good for our overall health. A big review study showed that plant-based diets help people lose weight very well. And this happens even if you don't have to count calories super strictly, or follow a really tough diet plan. Or even if you don't have to exercise more than usual, so it's an option that many people find easy to stick with. Just the diet alone made a big difference, which really shows the power of plant-based eating. Other studies focus on the types of protein we eat in these diets. Research shows that when you eat more plant protein, you usually have a lower body mass index, or BMI. And your waistline is smaller too, which is an important sign of good health, you know. The fiber in plant foods plays a big part, helping you digest better and feel full longer. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that older adults who eat more plant protein usually have less belly fat. This is really important because belly fat is linked to many different health problems, so it looks like plant protein is especially helpful, making plant-based diets a really great choice for lots of people. Part 6. Easy ways to eat more plant proteins. Want to try eating more plant protein, everyone? It's a great way to boost your health and enjoy yummy meals. Actually, it's much easier than you might think. You can start adding plant protein to your meals with just a few simple steps. You don't need to change everything all at once. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Start with small and simple changes. For example, try swapping meat for plant-based options in your favorite meals. Every little change helps. Even adding nuts or seeds to your meals can boost your protein. Making changes slowly usually works better in the long run. This way you can build habits that last without feeling like it's too much. Take it one meal at a time. Try to make one meal each day fully plant-based. Try doing meatless Mondays each week. It's a fun way to discover new recipes and tastes. Or, you could make one meal a day plant-based. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's up to you. For breakfast, you could add nuts or seeds to your oatmeal. It's an easy way to start your day with more protein. Or how about a smoothie with plant-based protein powder? It's quick, easy, and tastes great. Add more beans or lentils to your meals. They're super useful and can go in so many different dishes. You can add them to soups and stews. They help make your food thicker and add lots of good nutrients. Mix them into salads for an extra protein punch. This is an easy way to make your salad more filling and good for you. Try hummus, which is made from chickpeas, as a dip or a spread. It's great for snacks or in sandwiches. Try swapping meat for tasty plant-based foods like black bean burgers or tofu stir-fries. These choices are not only delicious but also full of protein. Part 7. Plants are great for your waistline, helping you get healthier and slimmer. So, can plant protein help you lose belly fat? It sure looks like it. These proteins are healthy and super easy to use. You can add them to lots of different meals easily. They help you feel full longer. When you're full, you'll want to snack less and you'll eat less at meals too. This means you'll naturally eat less. And when you eat fewer calories, it's easier to keep a healthy weight. Eating fewer total calories is key. Doing regular exercise too makes it even better. This helps your body burn more calories than you take in, so you lose weight. Drinking enough water is also really important for your body to work well and stay healthy. Plant proteins might also help your body use energy a little better. When your body is good at using energy, it's better at burning calories too. They usually have way less of the bad kinds of fat. That makes them a great choice for your heart too. They also have lots of good fiber. Fiber is really important for good digestion and can help you feel full longer. This fiber is a real champ for managing weight. It helps digestion and keeps your blood sugar steady. Fiber helps with digestion and blood sugar. This can stop those big sugar ups and downs that make you want to snack. Science studies clearly show these benefits. Research always shows that eating lots of plants helps manage weight well. People who eat more plant foods often have less belly fat. This is a great reason to add more plants to your meals. Putting more plant protein in your food every day is a really smart idea. You can start by looking for cool recipes and trying new foods. Just start with little changes and have fun on your way to feeling better. Every time you choose more plant foods, you're getting closer to a healthier, trimmer you.